Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 6844. This ran from the 5th 2011 to the 8th 2015. It has an LW 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LW 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, one scuff on the front. Left front 16-inch factory mag tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door one dent, left rear 16-inch factory mag tyre, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory mag tyre, right rear door one dent, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory mag tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,